like you know what. I'm on the I don't know what you know what. I know what they do. See, what kind of nonsense is this? That lower battle PJ for crying out loud. I mean, nonsense, wolele. So I think we boss cut and say I share long one.
Just check your mail. Check your mail. Yeah, I sent it. I just want to get something across.
Lizzie.
I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Bye.
Alpha.
Sorry?
You are going out.
No.
Yeah, but you're outside.
What are you? What did you call me for? What did you stop me for?
Actually, I want to see you. Here.
I'm here. I'm in.
Yeah, ever since you don't come here, you get. I've been looking at you. You get. You are physically fit. You are mentally sound, and your social well-being. Look at your makeup. It's fine.
What's your name again? Allow or something?
Yes,
Are you dumb? I mean, I have got things to do. Say whatever you want to say and let me go. Are you crazy?
That's too much. Anyway, I want us to be 5 and 6. You get. And I have money.
Come again?
Come on, Farah.
Come out what? Are you high?
What have I done?
How dare you look at me and tell me you come out? I don't understand. Come out what? Okay, you know what you do? I think you know what you want. This is what you know. Idiot. You are nothing but low down worm. Scum! That's what you are, idiot. You do see me. Oh shit.
Why you are moving?
Oh really? I really can't wait. You know what? I just want to say thank you for everything that you've been doing. Like, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Go! You're such a jerk. Okay. Are you serious? When would that be? I can't wait. Seriously, I cannot wait. Oh, really? Oh, this is so sweet. Now you're gonna make me cry. Thank you. Like I'm shivering right now. I really can't wait. Okay. You know what you do for me right now? Just send the details to me and then we'll pick it up from there. Okay. I love you much more too. All right, darling. Thank you. You know what? Can we talk later? Like, there's a program I need to see right now. So, all right, darling. Thank you. Mwah.
music on Better TV.
Money your best, be body, yeah.
It's Die Hard Beat.
Scarilla, baby, I go, I need your shape, your back. See Black Entertainment. Kosami, Shami, Kosami, Shami, Kosami. Monica, Shami, Kosami, Shami, Kosami, Shami, Kosami. Oh yeah. See Black Entertainment. Omo jaye jaye le mi nje o. Àìrówó náà Olúwa kò ní jẹ́ o. Ọmọ jayé jayé lèmi ń jẹ́ o. Ikú òjijì Olúwa kò ní jẹ́ o. Ọmọ jayé jayé làwa ń jẹ́ o. Àìrówó náà Olúwa kò ní jẹ́ o. Ọmọ jayé jayé lèmi ń jẹ́ o. Ikú òjijì Olúwa kò ní jẹ́ o. Oya ready, go ready, go ready, go ready, oh. Oh yeah, ready, go ready, ready, go ready, go ready, go ready, yeah. Oh, my DJ shape your back. Tell me waiting again. Ọmọ tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ dédé, ó di dandan kó get money. To go broke alone is not for me. Ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ o, ẹ jẹ́ kí n ṣe tèmi. Ayé kan ló wà kó pé méjì. Mo ṣayé mi ò rí enemies. Bá mi fún wọn lẹ́nà sí méjì. Ọmọ èmi ṣayé orí mi. Ṣé táwọn bá jó lówó? Sọ fún wọn pé mi lọ lọ́rọ̀. Tọ́ba mo gógóró, kọ́ fún wa ní dọ́pẹ̀rì ọ̀nà. Ọmọ jayé jayé lèmi ń jẹ́.
So, where are we headed? Of course I do. I do.
It's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day, yeah, Carlo Faggi.
How far now?
Fine, sir.
How are you doing?
I did fine, sir.
Happy Valentine's
Same to
Day.
you, sir. Same
You
to you,
look
sir.
very happy
Thank
today.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It seems your girlfriend don't bring Valentine's gift for
for
you.
me to see you alone, I need to be happy because I know say something must drop for me.
Definitely,
today.
I'll make you happy.
Thank
Let
you,
me
sir.
see my
Thank you, sir.
girlfriend.
Welcome, sir.
All right, bro. Lizzie. Lizzie, babe.
Oga, are you?
Lizzie.
Oga.
Good afternoon. How you doing now?
I'm fine.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I wish you the same.
Lizzie.
Lizzie no day house. Yeah.
She's not around.
Yeah, she's not around. You know, call her before coming.
I called her number. It was switched off, so I was worried. I thought when I get here, I'm going to get her.
It will be. I just told you now that she's not around, so you should stop knocking. Her number will be switched off now.
Where could she be?
she be NEB. So you know Siam. You go see her for junction. Not quite long.
No, I didn't see her.
She actually went out with her boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yes.
What is that supposed to mean? You know I'm a boyfriend. Why are you saying this?
You're not just aware now. It's 3 person fetching water inside one drum. You don't really know.
What's the meaning of that?
I mean, she went out with her boyfriend. One rich guy like that. You think say you get money?
I'm rich. I came here with my car. It's not possible for her to go out with someone else.
Now Benz.
No, it's not Benz. It's Ford.
Oga Parkwell, I better do something else. Oh, gate for me, make I go out.
I do my treasure, make you not let me down. Find me more, oh God, don't let go. Just come on, and if you tell me, say you know one do. I'm only far up. I could tell my friends, say now you be the latest. I made the undo your case. Hope you won't take offense if I want to date back.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
Sorry, is the seat vacant?
Yeah,
If you don't mind, can I sit beside you?
if you want, sure.
Oh, thank you. It's been a long day. Sorry, I'm sorry if I'm barging into your privacy. Are you here all alone?
Yes, I am.
And you took all this?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I did.
Sorry, I'm sorry if I'm barging into your privacy, but what would a beautiful lady like you be doing here all alone?
I'm fine. Thank you very much for your concern.
I know you are. You look very fine, but you coming over here, sitting all alone, taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th bottle. I know something might be wrong somewhere, and I know we might just meet, but I won't mind if you could just share it with me.
Well, if you must know,
Good evening. So, you know what?
Hi.
I would need a catfish pepper soup, please.
Okay, we have the small one, 1.5, the big one, 3,000.
I would go for the big one, please.
The big one.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank
I'll
you.
be back in a jiffy.
Thank
sir.
you so much.
All right, right on now.
yeah, hi.
Like I was saying, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
Sorry, ma.
Yeah. Why would you be here all alone, drinking? I know there is no smoke without fire. I know there must be something somewhere that's happening that made you come here all alone to drink. I don't mind if you can share it with me.
Well, if you must know, it's been 5 hours. I mean, 5 good hours. I've been waiting for my boyfriend. He's not here. I've been trying to call him, sending him text messages. He's not picking my call. But it's okay. I think that's life. I'm used to it.
Is that why you come here all alone to drink? Is that?
I guess.
Well, I guess we are on the same page. You know, I went to surprise my girlfriend, actually. I got her some gift and I went over to her place, only for me to discover that she has been cheating on me and she has someone else. She went out with someone else, actually. So I was so...
Alistair, your order is ready.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow, this
Like
looks...
it?
Oh, this looks very
Coming back with
good.
a spoon.
Yeah, like I was saying, I guess I had been dating myself all along.
Wow.
And the most annoying part of it all is that all the gifts I got for her still inside my car.
Oh,
Understand?
I'm sorry about that.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Very sorry.
So, I wanted to know that for every disappointment, there is a blessing in disguise. I'm so sure that there is a very, very good reason for you and I to meet tonight, because I was also disappointed, but it's fine. That's life, actually.
Yeah, I guess so.
I don't know if I could just sit right beside you.
Sure.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. No, yeah. I would really need washing.
Right, washing hand. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
I don't know.
Welcome.
Sorry, I don't know if you could really join
Nah,
me.
I'm good. It's
No,
fine.
why?
I've been drinking and I feel like if I eat something I might just puke.
Well,
so
this really looks
I'm
yummy.
good, really.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Thank you.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
I love the way you smile.
Thanks.
Obviously, I need to stop you from drinking. This should be the last time, please. Please don't drink anymore.
I would
Please.
about it.
No, I'm here. I'm gonna make your night worth a while, okay?
Okay.
I don't just want you to drink.
Okay.
I like the way you smile.
Thank you very much.
Once again, you're very beautiful.
Thanks.
Say, I just wanna thank my God for life, yeah.
Get out of my car! Get out! Get out of this car, my friend! You're so irritating! Get out! Shut my door! Shut my door!
You're an animal!
Fuck you!
Shut up!
Idiot! Get out!
You're an idiot!
ṣé bàbá àlàó yẹn olórí burúkú ni
Oh, olórí burúkú làlàó àbí?
ó kò fẹ́ dárin wa rú ni jọ.
Ìjọ́ wo lèmi àti àlàó tá a ṣeré dé level tó fi màmá sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan báyìí fún mi?
It's not true.
I just want to tell you that I am done with you. I am done. And I have found my own love. Okay? So please, don't call this number anymore.
He hung up on you, right? Lizzie, so this is how you have decided to end your life. I tell you all the time, this your reckless life, double dating, cheating would not help you. It won't. It's only going to harm you. So now Double D has left you, right?
Please let me call.
And I cannot call no one. You fix it yourself and you need to stop all this stupid act. Like, it's becoming so unbearable and annoying. Like, is this how you want to continue to live your life? No, I can't. I give up. Like, no. Fix it. Fix it yourself. Fix it.
I didn't do it, Joe. I didn't do it.